Council meeting, IAC, for which we have assembled here today. And I heartily welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. M. Gopinath, sir, Associate Dean of our Institution Innovation Council, to address about Smart India Hackathon SIH 2022 competition. Now I hand over the session to our respected Chief Guest, Dr. Gopinath, sir. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your nice intro, ma'am. Thank you. Good morning, students. So, I'm just going to share the online orientation session on Smart India Hackathon. First of all, I would like to, welcome you all, for the Institution Innovation Council meeting. Today's, my presentation is focused, about the Smart India Hackathon 2022. And what is Smart India Hackathon and problem statement which are given in the Smart India Hackathon, and themes which are given in the Smart India Hackathon, and what is software edition and what is hardware editions in the Smart India Hackathon 2022. So moving to the Smart India Hackathon 2022, about the Smart India Hackathon 2022. So it is organized by the Ministry of Education and in association with AICTE and MHRD's Institution Innovation Council, New Delhi. It is one of the premier the student level competitions which are organized every year from 2017 onwards. This Smart India Hackathon 2022 brings the next generation evaluation by inclusion of new methodology to inculcate the culture of startup and innovation ecosystem across different age groups. So this is the main aim. So to create the startup innovation ecosystem in the young students' minds. Okay, for that only they are actually initiated. So this is the first time they are actually two kinds of the Smart India Hackathon is the hosting. One is that Smart India Hackathon junior level and Smart India Hackathon senior level. And regarding this Smart India Hackathon junior level, they are actually targeted the school students of class from 6th to 12th. And for Smart India Hackathon senior level, they are actually targeting the regular students of higher education institutions pursuing the graduates and postgraduate students, and irrespective of arts, science, and engineering, and medicines, pharmacy, and students can able to participate in this Smart India Hackathon senior level. And what is Smart India Hackathon? I said that the Smart India Hackathon is started from 2017 as the first edition, and followed by 2018, 19, 20. So far, the 4 editions so far completed. And due to this COVID-19, 2021, they are not conducted. It was held up because of the COVID-19. And this year, 2022, SIH was, started, and they are actually inviting the proposal from the various, colleges about the, Smart India Hackathon 2022. So regarding this Smart India Hackathon is a national-wide initiative to provide the students with a platform to solve some of the pressing problems we face in our daily lives, and thus inculcate a culture of product innovation and a mindset of problem solving. Okay, so they will give the couple of problems, and based upon the problems you can able to find out the solutions. And if your solutions is well and good among the submitted problems with the solutions, so that it will be awarded the prize of the 1 lakh to 10 lakhs. So that's all is based upon the problem statement and the prize money and the product. Okay, so every year from the 2019 onwards, the teams are representing our Well-Tech, High-Tech, Dr. Rangaraj and Dr. Sakunthala Engineering College. In the year 2019 Smart India Hackathon, the team Hot Water, represented by the Jonas Joel, in 2019, which held up in the NIT Surathkal. This physical mode of presentations at the time was it was conducted. So they actually went up to the grand finale, and they actually got the runner-up during this event. And Smart India Hackathon 2020 was due to the COVID-19, it was conducted virtually. So one of the team is represented, our college SNCT team. So their participation and their certificate is shown for that. So they are actually, gone for the grand finale, up to grand finale. Okay, so the problem statement as per the data which are given in the website, and the website link is given in the slide for your reference, and you can access this link and you can able to view the problem statements which are given in the SIH 2022. So in that, the hardware edition is 42 problem statements are given, and software edition is around 267 problem statements are given. So altogether it is a 300 plus problem statements are there. So the idea submission which begins from the 26th Jan 2022 onwards. So but the problem is you cannot directly submit a problem statement and the solution to the SIH 2022. So you need to submit through your department coordinator as well as the institution's single point contact, so that your problem statements is well and good, and it will be communicated and it will be forwarded to the SIH 2022 main team, so that they will again shortlist your team for the grand finale. So based on that, 300 plus problem statements, the themes are split in various headings which are shown for your reference. Against that, the numbers are represented, the problem statements given in that the things. So the agriculture and food tech, rural development, 10 problem statements are there, and blockchain and cyber security, 18 problem statement, and clean and green technology 9, fitness sports 3, heritage culture 19, medtech, biotech, health tech 21, miscellaneous 82, renewable and sustainable energy 5, robotics and drone 6, smart automation 39, and smart vehicles 4, travel and tourism 2, transportation and logistics 7, and disaster management 35, and smart education 49. So all together it is around 300 plus problem statements are there. So as a student, you need to do one thing. You need to form a team, and the team members should be 6 members in your team. So the 6 members you need to distribute it in various multidisciplinary students, 2 from the computer science, 2 from the ECE, and 2 from the like biotech or chemical. So like that, you need to take the multidisciplinary wide students in your team, and accordingly you need to choose the theme, and then you need to find out the problem statements. So coming to the software, as a problem statement under that software editions, so the app development and simulation and the coding, such a kind of problem statements are taken under the software editions. So you need to just click this given link, and you can able to see that link. This is the after clicking the given link, so that will be taken into this site, and where you can see the problem statement solutions, and the total statements is a 42 problem under the hardware category. Under the software category, it's a 267. And you can see here the select the theme, and the various themes are given. So say examples, you need to see the blockchain and cyber security, so that will be taken into the category, the organization ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, also given their problem statement about the software tool set for storage, browsing, and permission-based access to geospatial data using the blockchain method, and graphical password authentication, network traffic analysis. And so such a you can see that various thing, and you can see like software and all these organizations are given the problem statements around 10 are there. Okay, and it is moving to the second page also. So moving to that, around 17 page are there. Okay, so altogether, the police department Madhya Pradesh also given speech emotion recognition on live call while creating events. So, and you can see that the problem statement numbers also there. It's 80983 and 18984 like that. Okay, so you need to pick this problem statement through your team members, and again you need to find out the solutions, and this solution you need to insert it in the given template. The template will be floated with you all through the department coordinators, Mrs. Mahalakshmi ma'am, as well as Rajasaranya ma'am. You can get it there. SAH 2022 template, and you can well fitted all your data in that presentation, and then you can submit to the Innovation Council through your department coordinators, and then we will arrange the internal hackathon. So the hardware edition you can able to see like that only. So the last date for the idea submission through the our college is 31st of March 2022. So based upon that, the the students' response, we will plan to conduct the internal hackathon for the Smart India Hackathon 2022 in the month of March 16th. So after the period approval from our honorable principal sir, and maybe the date plus or minus there. So according to the principal sir approval. So but it is tentatively it's fixing up the 16th of March 2022. So moving to that innovative idea submission link. So if you have any idea for the participation in this event, so you can just use the Google link and you can submit your idea, the team and the team members. Through that we will touch with you all. So, and if you need to know more about the Institution Innovation Council activities, you can join the WhatsApp group as well as the Telegram group, which are given in the slide. And moving to, if you have any queries, so you can unmute yourself and feel free to discuss about your queries. And all these data are taken from the sh.gov.in. So thank you once again for joining this meeting. Thank you, ma'am, for organizing this such a wonderful event.
Yes, sir. Respected sir, with all our due respect, we would like to thank you for your nice presentation and for the delivery of all the details about Smart India Hackathon SLH 2022 competition. And we ensure that there will be a lot of participants and winners from our CSE department through our IIC coordinators and also through your internal support, sir. Students, if you have any queries, you can unmute and ask.
Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
And those students who have not attended the meeting, you will convey all the information what you have presented, sir. We ensure that. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Yes. Students, you can leave if you don't have any queries. Thank you all for joining the session.